It takes no imagination whatsoever to picture this. You walk into work, your head's down, your coffee's in hand, and you head straight to your usual corner in the back corner of the back office of the back of the building, behind the stacks of bankers' boxes. This dingy, dull, depressing workspace to which you've been relegated is the infamous back office. It doesn't just sound painful, because if you know that it is painful. I did it for decades, deprived of windows in many instances. So how long have you been hiding your brilliance behind someone else's business? Making their dreams come true while yours sit on a shelf gathering dust because, you're in a dull, dingy, depressing back office. You've been the invisible force holding your boss's business together, quietly correcting payroll, chasing down expense reports, cleaning up someone else's chaos. But here's the thing, you don't have to stay invisible. You've got the skills. You've got the experience. You've already built someone else's empire. So now it's time to build your own. You have earned the right to be seen, to step out of the back corner and up to the table. But it doesn't happen by waiting for permission. It happens when you decide to act. So instead of asking your boss if you can grow in your role, ask yourself why you're still growing their business instead of your own. Stop waiting to be discovered and start choosing to be visible. You don't need another certification. You don't need another year of doing the same work under someone else's banner. You need a decision that this is the year you become the boss. Your skills are not second class. Your instincts are not accidental. The only thing missing is the systems and the support to take what you already know and scale it into a business of your own. And that's where Maven comes in. It's time to stop playing small, to stop hiding in the back office like your genius is something to be ashamed of, and start showing up like the savvy, strategic powerhouse that you are. So download the Back Office Blues Readiness Checklist here. And if your score tells you you're not quite ready, then download our Brush Up Before You Boss Up checklist and get yourself ready. Once your skills are strong, we'll help you turn them into your very own bookkeeping empire. You've made other people's business work for long enough. Let's make yours the success story. Please like, share, and subscribe for weekly Maven drops. And as always, if you've got an extra 4 minutes, we've got an extra episode. Up next, palm trees and gymnastics. What in the world is that about? Let's find out.